Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix your errors, so how you can easily turn off your active status on Instagram so no one will see how many times before will you've been online. So how you can do it? So for doing this, just go to Instagram app. Now just tap here, and now you just need to tap on the settings, and in the settings you need to find here, privacy, and in privacy you need to open activity status, and now you can see that I disable it, so just tap on it, and now no one will see how much. Here you can see allow accounts you follow and anyone you message to see when you were last active on Instagram apps. When this is turned off, you won't be able to see the activity status of other accounts. So this is the way how you can also do it. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.